smoking the Bhavertz pack. Biblical stinker. Deport him. Real talk. The Bhavertz pack. Absolute awful footballer. Disgusting performance. Disgusting footballer. Had a whole 6 passes in 90 odd minutes. Missed 4 chances today. Pillowhead. How does this guy manage to cock up every single header he has? Pretty much. I believe he scored the other day with a header. This guy is a scrub. Let's up to everyone who's locked in. Make sure you are subscribing. I'm going live on Lee Reacts in a short while to watch Real Madrid absolutely batter via the lid. So we can watch Cole Hein, our actual goalkeeper on loan, pick the ball out of the net about 5 times. And yeah, hopefully it's going to be better than that crap we've watched today up at the Molineux. Awful performance. Yeah, bless up to everyone who watched the watch along. Kenny's next, Jez, Matty. Then I'll be doing an emergency meeting. And I'm straight onto that Real Madrid game. So yeah, big up to everyone. But listen, let's start with the goalkeeper. Made some decent-ish clearances. I wouldn't say so much saves. He didn't have a great deal to do, did he? Let's be real. Yeah, but he played all right. He played well today. It was one of his better games recently because he's been pretty poor as well. But passing was a lot better today. Reading of the game was a lot better today from the keeper. Well done to him. Centre-backs. Saliba didn't look fit to me. I can't lie. Yeah, it was 50-50 touch and go whether he was going to play because of a hamstring, apparently. And it looked like he was playing like that. Yeah, he looks a little bit off the pace today. Yeah, which is kind of concerning. I can't lie. But again, this manager will probably throw him in against Girona on Wednesday and he'll pop his hamstring again. But he was all right. Gabriel was all right. Yeah, I wouldn't say they were both outstanding today, but they didn't have to be really, did they? Wolves are poor, man. Very poor. The save that Nori made Raya save was probably the best save of the game. It was probably the only real save that our goalkeeper really had to make, if I'm honest. Yeah, because the rest of them, they were awful, man. They could have had a couple of goals, a couple of shots wide. Other than that, they were rubbish. So our defence didn't really have to do a great deal. Lewis Skelly, for me, that's never a red card. But according to the letter of the law, it is a red card. It's cynical. So I don't think it's a red card. But again, we've seen them get a red card, which was a second yellow, which looked like a worse tackle. And listen, you guys know I don't moan about referees. I do not cry and bitch and moan about referees. Yeah, but for me, that's never a red card. Yeah, but according to the letter of the law, it's a red. So if that's the case, then how comes Gomez got a second yellow for his and his was a leg breaker? Kind of don't really make any sense. But anyway, the right decision was there in the end because he was on the second. It was the second yellow, but is what it is, man. But yeah, Skelly, unfortunate, but he'll learn hopefully. And if he don't, then he can jog on as well. So is what it is. You can't be going in tackles like that. Yeah, because these referees are crap, mate, and you will get sent off. So is what it is, isn't it? Is what it is. Let's go to the other side. Timber, I thought he played all right today. Sorry, we're just finishing the Bhavertz pack. I thought he played all right. I thought he locked up Nuri quite a lot of times down that left-hand side, their left, our right. I thought he was pretty good. Nothing outstanding. I don't think any of them were really great in the defence, but they didn't have to be, like I said. Midfield, Thomas Partey. All right, decent. Yeah, just play him in midfield. I don't want to see this gimmick at right back. This right back gimmick with Partey needs to end, mate. I'm sick to death of this crap. Yeah, just play him in midfield. He looks so much better in midfield. So much better in midfield. Declan Rice. Declan, again, man of the match for me again. 2 games in a row. Fantastic performance from him today. Fantastic performance from him. Yeah, I thought he was outstanding. Yeah, his energy, getting up and down the pitch. They're making some crucial tackles. Yeah, I thought he was quality. Yeah, absolutely quality from him today. Yeah, and I want to see that every week. Yeah, because if he does what he's doing in the last 2 games every week, we're a better team. Yeah, the rest of the team needs to step up to his level the last couple of games. Yeah, we've got the wins. Yeah, but it ain't been pretty. People just sit there and go, "Oh, why are you moaning? We won the game." Me. Nobody cares. Like real talk. Yeah, if you watched that game and thought that was a good game of football, then I don't know what to tell you. Yeah, we weren't great, but he was. And he's man of the match for me by a mile. Ethan, I thought he dropped a stinker. I can't lie. I thought he dropped a stinker. But sacrificed at half time. See you later. Bye bye. Bring on Calafiori. We'll get to that in a minute. Let's go to Martinelli. Just sell him. I've had enough of this guy, mate. Honestly. Yeah, he was awful again. Again. How many more times we got to keep saying this? How many more times? Oi, Haaland nearly scored. Oh, City 1-1. 1-1. Keepers had a mare. Marmouche. Debut goal, guys. Debut goal. Oh, he's offside. He's offside. He's offside. They're going to VAR it. If you ain't seen this game, by the way, their new centre back, absolute howler. Absolute howler. Kazanov. Absolute howler. Kushinov even. And Marmouche is onside. Oh, is he? No, maybe he's not. Maybe he's off. Maybe he's off. Anyway, F that. Let's go to the other side. Trossard. I actually thought he played all right today. Yeah, I thought he was one of our better players. Yeah, he put some nice crosses into the box today. Put one on a plate for our donkey up front. And yeah, decent performance from Trossardinho. Again, we need better though, don't we? Let's be real. He needs to get more active. Like, it's all well and good putting some nice crosses into the box. But if you're a forward, mate, you've got to be having shots. You've got to be creating more. Like, he created a good chance for 29. Yeah, but let's be real with it. Yeah, we're poor, man. Yeah, we've been winging this for time. Yeah, and we've been getting away with it. Yeah, because this league is crap. Yeah, the quality in this league is rubbish. Yeah, hence why you've got teams respectfully, Bournemouth, Forest, Newcastle, all in and around top 4. That's it. Yeah, because the quality, the standards of this league, nobody is good apart from Liverpool. Yeah, they brushed aside Ipswich today, rested a load of their players in the second half. Job done. They can rest their players for the Champions League game in midweek. And then they go again at the weekend. Yeah, other than them, nobody's any good. Let's just be real with it. The rest of us are all crap. Let's go to our donkey up front. Oh dear. Leave that scrub in Wolverhampton and tell him to walk back. Like, real talk, this guy. How many more times are people going to praise this Bhavertz guy, bruv? Who knew that he had so many fans and adorers and admirers? He's rubbish. 4 chances every game to score a goal. Oh, but he's got 14 goals. He's got 14 goals. We're nearly in February and he has 8 league goals. 8. We would have been better off going and getting Chris Wood. And I'm not even taking the mick. We should have signed Chris Wood when he was at Burnley. Let's just be real with it. Yeah, it's embarrassing how poor this guy is. Absolutely embarrassing. I'm sick to death of this guy. Get him gone, mate. Yeah, and this manager, yeah, you're going to die on that Bhavertz hill, bruv. That Bhavertz hill is the final nail in your coffin. Yeah. Oh, I can change him. You ain't changing, mate. He's crap. Now, subs. The Sweet Prince. The Sweet Prince. Oh, he's fun to watch. He's fun to watch. Good finish, mate. Well done. Well done. But now Skelly's out for the next 3 games. We're probably going to see the Sweet Prince at left back. And that is a liability, unfortunately. So there we go. It is what it is. Kieran Tierney, my baller, you know. My baller. My baller. And we're letting this guy go. Wow. Sad times. Sad times, guys. My man came onto the pitch. First thing he did was put a ball on a plate for 29. What a cross. We're getting rid of the best defender at the club in fullback positions. We're getting rid of the best crosser of the ball at our football club. And we're getting rid of a serial winner. Oh, but it was all at Celtic. Well, you still got to win, mate. Doesn't matter what club it's at. Yeah, because you man are gassing up this scrub Calafiori. And he played for Bologna. You man gas up Ben White, play for Brighton. Now, you man gas up all these players that you've never heard of around the world that are linked to our club by mutants online. They have never won anything. We're letting a serial winner leave our football club, who is the best defender at our club, who can cross the ball better than anyone, to play centre backs at left back. Good luck, mate. Yeah. Anyway, smash the like button. It's still 1-0 Chelsea. 38 minutes gone. And yeah, Kenny's next. Jez, Matty, emergency meeting. And then I'm there for the Real Madrid game. So yeah, bless up to all of you lot, man. Make sure you sub to the channel. I'm that close to 115k. And I appreciate everyone who has subbed. And yeah, Bhavertz out. Cronky out.